Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you can check the steps in a couple of ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face. Some of the watch faces display that information. For example, this one. You can also open the list of watch faces and check different ones and see if they display it. This one also does, as you can see. Basically, some of the watch faces display the steps. Another way to check it is to press the upper button to open the menu, scroll through the menu and find the option, or rather application called Activity Records. And once you find it, tap on it. And here we have the steps, and you can also swipe down, or rather up on the screen, to scroll down and see the steps right here. And we have the weekly progression, as you can see. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also check this information on the phone application. So I'm gonna bring my phone right here. And on the phone, that is paired with the watch, of course, we can open the Huawei Health application. Let me zoom out the camera first, okay? So we can open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And once you open the app, you will see the health page, and on it you will see the step progression right here. You can also tap on this activity widget to open the more information or get access to more information. And we should have steps right here, as you can see. But if we go back, I believe we scroll down. No, we need to tap on exercise, I believe. Where was it? It was here, menu. No. It was here. Maybe it was here. Yeah, it was here. Okay, so basically on the activity widget you have this today's steps bar, and you can tap on it. And here we have the progression of our steps, and we have the daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. So you can basically check the whole statistics if you want to. You even see the device connected to your watch. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you check the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.